Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Fuck math, Jesus. I hate this class.
Hi class, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so we're gonna put our phones away, please, so we can pay attention to this very important lesson today. Thank you, Miss
Make sure you guys
Kyra.
get your notebooks out.
Yep, have your notebooks out so you can take some notes, because I will be erasing stuff and rewriting stuff. Any day now, Emily. All right, so today we're going to be learning about the standard algorithm of addition and subtraction. Now, algorithm probably sounds like a pretty scary word, correct?
Yeah.
So, it's actually really not. It's just simple addition and subtraction. So, do you guys know how to solve this problem?
No.
Emily, do you know how to solve this problem?
No, but you can't add that way.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is line it up. So, we're going to do 27 plus 99. Now, do you know why I wrote it this way?
No.
So everything is in the place values. You start at the right, this is the ones place, and this is the tens place, and so on. This is the hundreds, this is the thousands. So we're going to be working right to left. So do you guys know what 7 plus 9 is?
16? 16.
Yep. So what we're going to do is put the 6 down here, and then since there is a 1 for the tens place, we're going to be putting this 1 right up here because we're carrying it over into the tens place. Now, do you know what 1 plus 2 is?
3.
3. Then do you know what 3 plus 9 is?
12.
12. Good. So now we're going to be putting this 2 in the tens place because now we have 26. But the answer was 12. So where do you think the next one's going to go?
In the hundreds?
Yeah, into the hundreds place. And just remember that you use your place values where they have to go, and you'll do it correctly. So that is the right answer. The 27 plus 99 is 126. And there you go. So for an example, we have one student plus another student, and that equals 2 students.
Yay!
Emily, I can't believe you ate 9 hot dogs.
Hi guys, welcome back from lunch.
6 hot dogs.
How was your hot dogs?
Good.
Amazing. I don't know if I eat cafeteria food, but you go. All right, so phones away. Miss Meaghan, can you please collect your phones?
Of course I can.
They have the audacity to go on them. All right, so please focus. Bring out your notebooks, pencils, ready to write. So Miss Meaghan taught the addition, and I will now doing the subtraction part. I already have the steps listed for you guys.
You left yours over there.
I'm sorry, we're ready now. All right, Emily. So I already have the steps written. The first important step is to line it up by the place value. So that means if I have 512 minus 148, is this lined up by place value?
No.
So how would I line this up by place value?
You'd line it up vertically.
Correct.
Go
So
ahead.
I would do 512 minus 148. That is step number 1, lined up by place value, and so it's neat. Now,
I have a
there's
question.
Yes.
What's this? Yeah, what is
Sorry, I meant to do a minus. Sorry.
That's okay.
All right.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Right. All right.
Everyone has those days.
Okay. So now, all right, students, please. Okay. So now, step number 2. You always start to the right. So always right here. You always want to start here. If you start to the left, it's not going to be the same because when you borrow, you always want to go to the left. You never want to start right, like on this side. You want to start here and work your way over. Yes.
You can't do 2 minus 8.
Yeah. Right. So what do we do?
You're going to borrow and carry.
Correct. So this would become a 12, and this would become a
11 or 10? I think 11.
Yeah. Would it?
No.
I think it would become a 10. So we're going to make this a 10, and then since we borrowed from the 5, that's going to become a 4. So 12 minus 8 is, raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand. Yes, 4, correct. 10 minus 4 is?
6.
6. Raise your hand. 4 minus 1 is, Alexis?
3.
Correct. So your answer, so your answer would be 364. And if it makes it easier, you can kind of do lines so you know. So the answer is 364. But by place values, they're all lined up. So this is ones, tens, and hundreds. All right? And do you guys know, would it be easier if I showed you a little picture of how you do it? Okay.
Yeah.
Miss Meaghan, can you please take my lesson plan really
Of
quickly
course.
from me? Thank you. All right. So I'm going to do a little picture for subtraction. I'm going to do 10 minus 3. And it's already lined up the correct way. So I'm going to draw 10 lines. Actually I lied. I'm going to do 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I want to subtract 3, what are 2 ways I could do it to get rid of circles? Yes.
Could you shade it in?
One way I can shade it in, so I shaded 3. And if I had 10 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alexis, what's the other way?
Cross them out.
1, 2, 3, cross out. Okay, so those are 2 different ways, or you could always just erase them. So now that I have 3 shaded in, we're going to pretend these aren't even there. Can you count with me how many's left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So what would the answer be?
7.
Correct. So that's how you do standard algorithm when it comes to subtraction. Alrighty, and that's it for this lesson.
Thank you.
Go.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Do you know what standard algorithms is?
I do not know.
All
what
right.
standard
Well, I'm going to
algorithm
have you
is.
solve this problem.
Okay.
To the best of your ability.
Okay, that's a 2. Don't judge the handwriting.
It's okay.
Okay, that's oh my gosh. Okay, that's
It's okay if you don't get it right, just to the best of your ability.
yeah, 82. No, it's not. It's not 82.
Miss Meaghan, do you want to show him how we do standard algorithms?
72.
No, you did subtraction. You helped
Oh,
him.
Yeah, you help him, sweetie. You did subtraction.
Did I get it right?
I don't know.
It's
I couldn't even
72.
solve this. I don't even know. Okay, so
We have a fan club. So when you're doing this, you have to first line them up. So this is already lined up the right way, but if it was written this way, it'd be hard for you to solve.
Mm-hmm.
So first you start on the right side. So 9 minus 7 is
That's 2.
correct.
Okay.
So then you can't, can we subtract these like 2 minus 4?
No.
So you have to cross out the 2
Okay.
and make it a 12.
Okay.
And then 12 minus 4 is,
Here's an 8.
so
So I-
that would be 8.
Just yep.
And then you cross, we cross it out because we use it to make the 12. So your answer is 82. So that is
Oh,
how you do
yeah.
standard
Oh,
algorithms.
so I had it right the first time.
Yeah, you were right. Don't doubt yourself.
All right.
So
And that's
thank you
standard
for
algorithm?
yes.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thank
Now
you
you
very
know.
much.
Now you
Now
know.
I know.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Go like
The more you
subscribe.
know.
Right.
Hi. You know what the standard algorithm is?
I'm sorry, I have no idea.
Okay, I'm going to show you. So how would you do this? 6 plus 2, right?
Yeah.
So that would be 8, and that's in the ones place.
Okay.
Then you would go to the tens place, and 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Okay.
So the answer would be 38. Now you know. Great! Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Do you know what standard algorithms is? No. All right, I am going to show you. Do you know how to solve this problem? No? Okay. So what we're going to do is start in the ones place. And 0 plus 4 is what?
It's 4.
4, you're right. And then this spot right here is a placeholder for a 0 in the tens place. So what is 1 plus 0?
It would be 1.
There you go. And the answer is 14. You just did a standard algorithms problem.
The more you know.
High five.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good,
Do you
thank
know how
you.
to do a standard algorithm for subtraction?
I do not, no.
Oh, let me teach you.
Does
Okay, so we have 15 minus 5. You probably don't know how to do that way. So we have to line it up vertically by step 1. So 5 minus 5 is what?
0.
Okay, I know that. And then we have a 1. And then this is an imaginary 0 right here. So what is that?
That's a 1.
It's a 1. And we know that our answer is 10.
Cool.
Good
Now I
job.
know. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys! Alright, so through this video you got to see us going around the library to random people. We had no clue who they were, and we asked them how to do standard algorithms. A lot of them had no idea what they were doing, so we were able to teach them different ways to do it and the correct steps to follow. So yeah, once we showed everyone the steps, they got a better understanding of it. And anything else?
And we also were working in the classroom setting, showing them how to do standard algorithms of addition and subtraction.
Yeah.
And we think it worked out pretty well.
Yeah,
so.
really happy with the outcome. Alrighty. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Turn on post notifications so you get subscribed.
Woo! 1,000 likes.